What's up world, welcome back to my channel. Vladdy B here with another video. Today I want to talk to you about the economy, the recession, what's coming, what is actually going to happen. A lot of experts are talking about this and they're thinking that things are going down. Some people actually think it might take a long time for things to go completely out, but still going to go out. So how is this going to affect our current lifestyle? We are all so used to this convenience of having everything available to us, all the Amazon purchases and all that kind of stuff. But how is the recession going to affect us? Is the housing market going to go down in value? Is the crypto going to disappear completely? Is the stock market going to crash drastically? Is Amazon and all that Tesla and all that kind of stuff, all those companies going to go bankrupt? What is going to happen? Now, if you want my opinion on this, I think things like Tesla and Amazon will never go out of business because they are so ahead of their time. Amazon is basically the biggest competitor of any retailer out there because they can sell you anything that anyone else can sell you, except it's at the convenience of your computer, right in front of your eyes. You can literally buy things while you're showering, while you're using the bathroom. Let's say you wake up in the middle of the night sweating, thinking, oh my god, I forgot to buy something. You can quickly go on Amazon right from your bed on your phone and purchase something. So what is going to happen to Amazon? Maybe Amazon will experience some downtrend because people are just going to be more frugal with their money, because the recession all it's gonna mean is people have less money to spend, so of course they're gonna cut down on all the expenses that are not necessities. But it doesn't mean that people will stop buying things. People will still have to buy stuff, and people still have money, right? People are saving up, people buying all those houses in cash, so I'm sure some people still have stashes of money under their mattress somewhere or in their bank accounts. Either way, Amazon is not going nowhere. Tesla, same thing. Future of the cars, electrical cars. They actually motivated every other car manufacturer out there to start producing electrical cars. Which car manufacturer does not have an electrical vehicle option these days? Kia has it, Hyundai has it, Ford has it, Toyota has it. Everybody has it. There's even some new brands coming up that are solely electrical cars, except I believe that the infrastructure for electrical cars is not quite there yet. Because you see a lot of those videos out there, and I've experienced it myself and through my friends. You know, you get a Tesla, you think that you are so great and cool, but then you take it somewhere out of town, you see how the battery is draining in front of your eyes, and it's terrifying because you don't want to get stuck in the middle of nowhere in an electrical car, because what are you going to do? You're going to buy a generator in the middle of nowhere? A regular gasoline car, first of all, the infrastructure is designed for those cars. You have a gas station every few miles if you're out of town, and you can carry a gallon of gasoline with you in the trunk, and if you do run out of gas, if you're going really far away, you can fill it up and keep going. If you're prepared that way. With a Tesla, you can't exactly do that, unless you do put a gas generator in the trunk and just keep it there just in case. But then what's the point of owning an electrical car if you're still gonna charge it using gas? Doesn't make sense, right? So the infrastructure is not there yet. However, it is going to get there eventually. It's just a matter of time. It's definitely not going to go backwards. People are not going to say, no, we don't want Teslas. They will say, yes, give us more Teslas, but make it more accessible, make it more easier to charge. Just like you have at the regular gas stations, that they are all over the place. So you can literally, if you don't like this gas station, you can go across the street, there is another gas station. If you don't like this one, there's another one right here and right there. Every single street has a gas station. The same thing has to happen with electrical cars for them to be reliable. Otherwise, they're not reliable. If you get stuck somewhere with a drained battery, it kind of sucks. What are you gonna do? I personally think that Tesla should make the roof, and I hope Elon Musk hears this idea, and probably already thought about that, but the roof of a Tesla should be a solar, so that whenever you're driving, the car is being charged as you're driving. I'm sure that's, complicated technology, but nothing they cannot make, because, I mean, they're flying out into space, so why wouldn't they be able to put a solar and mount it onto a roof of a Tesla? So those are the companies and the reasoning why they're not going to go nowhere, but the price of those stocks, of their companies, might go down a little bit because of the recession, just because people will start pulling money out in order for them to be able to afford their everyday necessities. Same thing with Walmart and all those big retailers. They're not going to go nowhere. They're not going to go bankrupt. That's where people buy everything. You see them packed daily. People are spending lots of money right now, no matter what. And so I think although the recession is coming, I think it might not be as crazy as people think, unless of course things get so bad that the shelves of the stores become empty and people just physically can't even get it. If the water is gone, if the food is gone, eggs, milk, all that kind of stuff, that's gonna suck. that's gonna be really bad, and it might happen. Nobody knows where the world is gonna go and where we're gonna end up in the next year and even by the end of this year. I just hope that the world doesn't freaking end. I hope no dumbass is gonna push any stupid red button that's gonna start World War III. We're already having some wars going on that are completely unnecessary and stupid, and I just hope that all ends and everybody's gonna be safe and healthy and happy. So I definitely hope it's not gonna be as bad as we think it is going to be. I hope things are gonna get better. I hope no new corona variants get out there and start spreading around like wildfire too. And I hope we don't end up in another lockdown this fall and winter. I think everybody's over it already. I hope they lift all this junk, all those tests, before and after flying, all those vaccinations that are completely and totally useless. I got 2 vaccines myself. The only reason I got those is because I had to travel, and it makes it much easier to travel if you do have the vaccine, although I still had to get all those tests and pay money for that, so it's just a money grab. And in the end of the day, I still got corona. I had it twice. Before I got the vaccination, I had nothing, no cold, no flu for over 2 years. Then I got a vaccine, and a couple months later, even less than a couple months later, I got COVID. And then only a month after that, I get another one, another really bad. I was in bed for over a week, and I'm not getting any more vaccinations. I don't give a crap because it's all garbage. You have to make your own decisions, do your own research, but that's my take on it. And I always try to learn from my mistakes, and I feel like getting that vaccine was a mistake that I cannot undo. I don't know what's in me right now. I don't know how it will genetically modify me. What if I will never be able to have kids because of that vaccine? Maybe my kids will not be able to have kids in the future. But long story short, let's just hope things get back to normal. Pre-COVID was amazing. Now everything is just a mess. Thank you for watching. Leave me some comments below with your thoughts on this video and how I can make my channel better for you, to make it more interesting for you. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in another video.